Now let's talk about some reporting that's available when you've entered personal use transactions. To get to personal use reports, click on the Personal menu and choose Print Reports. You'll then see 4 options. Each report is the same, but it is grouped on different categories of personal use transactions. For instance, I have one transaction in my database for a loss. If I click Total Losses, it will give me the option to put a date range in for the transactions I'm interested in searching. In this case, I will not put a date range in because I want it to search my entire database. However, if I was only interested in losses for this year, then I would put the beginning and ending dates of this year. When I click Print, I will see displayed the items damaged or losses listing. This shows that I had 7 AMOQTs that were lost. Essentially, this is my shrink report. AMSWin provides several reports that are there to help you evaluate your inventory. Let's look at the Inventory menu and then select Print Inventory Reports. You'll see there are several reports available. The first report, Reorder Listing, is the listing of all items whose quantity in stock is equal to or lower the reorder level. If you recall, when we set up a new stock number, we had the option to set its reorder level. I'll click the reorder listing and a report will be displayed that shows all items that need to be ordered. In this case, you'll see a stock number listed, description listed, how many items are in stock, you'll see any items on back order, and then you'll see the reorder level that's set for that product. You'll notice the AMP Metal Protector has a reorder level of 6, meaning anytime my inventory is 6 or below, it will show on this report and let me know that I need to order more. You'll see that my quantity is 1. Therefore, I need to order at least 5 more to get to my 6 reorder level. You'll also notice the true total column. If I had items either bought or sold in back order, then those would be reflected in my actual total. To print the report to paper, click the print icon, and to close this box, click the X to the top right. The next report is the entire inventory database listing. When you click this option, you must select between stock number sort or a description sort. If you're doing a physical inventory, it is typically easiest to click the stock number sort. Now you'll notice displayed on this report is every stock number that's in the list and your quantity in stock. Next, let's see what you have in stock. Click on the Inventory menu, choose Print Inventory Reports, and select the Total Inventory in Stock report. Again, you must select between sorting by description or stock number. In this case, I'll select description. You'll notice the report comes to the screen and displays the quantity that you have in stock, the stock number and description of the item, the retail value, dealer cost, shipping cost, sales tax, and any special tax on that item. You'll also notice a disclaimer at the bottom of the report. It says, you must run the backorder report by stock number and then add those totals to the totals on this report to get a true value of your inventory. Remember, accrual accounting methods are required if you carry inventory. We'll discuss more about this when we get into the tax section at the end of this series. Next, let's look at your backorder listing. Click the Inventory menu, choose Print Inventory Reports, and then select the backorder listing. You'll notice again that you have two options, but this time they're not sorting options. There are two different ways to display the report. You can look at a summary by stock number, which displays one line per stock number, the quantity that's on back order, and then the appropriate amounts. You also have the option of looking at this report by order number. This will display the order number and then each of the items that were back ordered in that order individually. Again, you'll notice that it shows the stock number, the description, the quantity back ordered, and the date. You'll also notice that this report does not give you any amounts. So if you're trying to calculate your value of inventory, you're going to want to choose the former. Inventory, print inventory reports, back order listing, stock number. At times you just want to print out a price list. You can do so by clicking the Inventory menu, choosing Print Inventory Reports, and then choosing Retail Price List or Dealer Price List. For this example, I'll choose Retail Price List. I can then select which type of price list do I want to print. Do I want Suggested Retail, Normal Customer Price, Status C or Commercial Prices, or Status R, Retail on the Shelf Prices? I'll choose Suggested Retail. Next, I have the ability to choose whether to sort by stock number or by description. For this example, I'll choose stock number. The customer price list is displayed on the screen. You'll notice that every stock number available is listed with its description, its case price, and unit price. You'll also notice that case and unit prices are the same in most cases. That is because the unit price is equal to the case price on the item divided by the package size. Because by default, all items have a package size of 1, these are going to be the same.